Hey fam, I know that condensed milk is super expensive in stores everywhere. You'll be happy to know that you can make your own with only these 2 ingredients. Winnfrey's kitchen! We only need 2 ingredients to make condensed milk. 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to put my milk and then my sugar. Then I'm going to mix it together before I turn on my gas. Reason being, I don't want my sugar to caramelize fast or before. Once it has dissolved, I'm going to light up my gas and I'm going to cook my condensed milk on low heat. So it has simmered for around 30 to 40 minutes and you have to be very patient. And as you can see, it has started to thicken. Actually, it has thickened and it has also changed color. So this means our condensed milk is ready. We're going to let it cool, and once it cools, we're going to put it in a jar. As you can see, the consistency, it's thick. So I'm going to let this cool. Our condensed milk is ready and it's used when making your ice cream, iced coffee, on your cakes. You can also use it as a sweetener on your tea and also use it as a garnish on your pastries. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know how you use your condensed milk in the comment section below. Follow for more.